Is it possible to create our server at home and host websites on it? Yes, that's possible. This is connected sa redundancy. Kasi if you're just having that physical server on-premise or at home, just in case nagkakape ka and matapon yung coffee sa server, so you'll be like losing everything, all of your backups, all of your data. That's why it's called blue screen of death. Kasi it's really dead pag nangyari yon, like unexpected shutdown, especially here in the Philippines. Our like electricity are fluctuating, no, from time to time. Kaya yung mga server on premise or dedicated server at home, may backup or UPS talaga yan sila. So the main reason why they are migrating sa cloud para they can have redundancy. And at the same time, wala na silang physical space to maintain. Kasi that will be another ventilation process. Like dapat malamig yung area and secured siya somehow. But the question is it possible? Yes, that's possible naman. I'm just stating the disadvantages of having those on-premise servers.